So I've got this new business partner, Paul, who heads up our software division. Now Paul wants us to sell this SmartOffice Accounts Payable software. To be honest, I'm not so sure. How difficult could it be to check a few invoices, get them paid at the end of the month?
Well, Greg, it's actually not just about checking the invoice. It's about matching the invoice to the purchase order, the goods receipt note, and then having to post it into your accounts package.
Even so, Paul, I mean, how long could this take? A couple of minutes per invoice? All told, a few hours at the end of the month?
Actually, it's like 3 to 4 minutes only to match an invoice to a purchase order. We get about 300 invoices a month, so that's more like 15 hours a month.
They bled us white, the bastards. They take everything we had. And not just from us, from our fathers, and from our fathers' fathers.
And from our fathers' fathers' fathers.
Yeah.
And from our fathers' 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 fathers.
You're all right, Stan, don't labour the point.
Yeah, well, apart from that, what does SmartOffice Accounts Payable do for us?
It handles the approvals process.
Approvals? Surely this can be done by sending a few emails.
Yes, but there could be multiple layers of approval, depending on the price or product type. An automated process would cut out sending hundreds of emails back and forth each month.
Okay, fine. Matching invoices with POs, getting them approved for payment, that sounds pretty simple. What else can it do?
Reconciling invoices with supplier statements. And don't forget delivery confirmation.
And storage and retrieval!
And PO requisition.
Yes!
Okay. So apart from matching invoices to purchase orders with a price watch mechanism, handling a multi-layer approvals process from end to end, reconciling invoices with supplier statements, delivery confirmation, storage and retrieval of all invoices, statements and credit notes, and a comprehensive PO requisition facility. What has SmartOffice Accounts Payable ever done for us?